The WORKPRO 20V angle grinder kit offers the convenience of cordless operation, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor tasks without the hassle of tangled cables. Equipped with a robust 20-volt lithium-ion battery and a fast charger, this angle grinder ensures prolonged and stable performance for extended work sessions. Boasting a powerful motor with an effective speed of 7,500 revolutions per minute, this tool is designed to deliver high performance and efficiency. Weighing only 3.5 pounds without the battery, the lightweight design of this angle grinder reduces user fatigue while maintaining durability and sturdiness. The ergonomic design features a rubberized, anti-slip handle and conveniently placed switch for easy operation, accommodating both left and right-handed users. This comprehensive kit includes essential accessories such as cutting and grinding wheels, a battery, and a fast charger, providing everything needed for a wide range of tasks.